Kung pagod ka na sa 9 to 5 traffic at toxic work setup or kagaya kayo ni Reyna sabi niya nakaka-overwhelm talaga, ang dami kong gustong gawin na niche, yung ending burnout, then this video is for you. Let's talk about how you can start working from home by using your past job experience to find your freelance niche. And huwag kayong mag-alala, gagamitin natin ang ating bestie na si ChatGPT to figure this out. But before that, this is task number 8 of hashtag VA Life this 2025. At kung hindi ka pa nakakasunod, all you have to do is check the caption at ililink ko doon yung previous video. Now, sa task number 7, tinuruan ko kayo kung paano gamitin si ChatGPT para mas mabilis na yung lahat ng future processes or step-by-step tutorials natin. But for today, step number 1, gusto kong balikan mo lahat ng naging trabaho mo. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, ano nga ba yung mga tasks na ginawa mo dati? Madalas ba gumagamit ka ng email, nagtatype ka ba, nagpa-plan ka ba ng schedule, nagbebenta ka ba, nagfa-follow up ka ba sa mga kliyente, or nag-handle ng social media? Those small tasks, yan yung gold mine mo para makatransition ka na sa freelancing. Kasi for example, kung dati kang admin, virtual assistant, kaya na kagad. Kung marunong ka mag-layout sa Canva, you have eye for beauty, then pwede ka mag-try na maging graphics designer. Kung sales ka naman, bagay ka sa appointment setting or lead generation. Obviously, kung may experience ka sa BPO, then pwede ka maging customer or technical support. I want you to write down yung pangalan ng company, yung role, kailan ka ng trabaho doon, at ano-ano yung mga tasks na ginawa mo. Pwede mo gawin to sa Google Docs. Gagamitin natin yan mamaya.
So, Chrome, pagkatapos, i-click mo lang tong waffle icon, pack, and then click on Docs. Blank document, at pagkatapos dito isusulat mo pattern na susundin mo. Example of how it would look like. I'll click on download, choose PDF, and save it to your computer.
Step number 2, hanapin mo yung common na skills na ginawa mo sa trabaho mo. Marunong ka bang gumamit ng Google Sheets? Marunong ka bang makipag-usap sa tao? Marunong ka bang mag-manage ng time? You don't need to learn everything from scratch. Marami tayong transferable skills. And may mga skills ka na pwede mo nang i-offer as services.
So, dapat marunong na kayong gumamit ito. Open ChatGPT. Ito yung prompt na gagamitin natin. I want to shift to a remote position. Based on the attached file with my previous work experience, can you give me an idea of what would be a good position or service I can offer? Highlight all transferable skills. Click mo yung plus sign, click on add. Hanapin mo yung file na ginawa mo and attach. Once na-loaded na yung document, all you have to do is click here and wait for it to give you a response. As you can see, sasabihin na yan, digital marketing and social media management would be my top 1. Team leadership and operations, nandyan din. Tapos, meron na rin dito mga nakalagay na kung ano pa yung mga services. Please make sure guys na i-double check nyo rin ito sapagkat hindi lahat dito ay magiging accurate. So you wanna make sure na tama, wala tayong if-fake it till you make it.
Step number 3, i-match mo yung skill set mo at yung previous work experience mo sa mga in-demand na work from home jobs. Here's a list of services that you can offer as a freelancer at kaunti pa lang yan versus yung mga potential pa na pwede nating matap na market. Now, once you have done all of these steps at nahihirapan ka pa rin, pwede ka maghanap ng mga training program na makakatulong sa'yo mag-transition. Dito sa community namin, we will help you train, transition, and thrive bilang freelancer. So ayan, di mo na kailangan magsimula sa zero ha. Your 9 to 5 gave you real life skills. Gamitin mo na yan to build your work from home career. Kung ready ka na to shift careers and start your freelancing journey, comment VA Life this 2025 at baka sakaling ikaw na yung matag ko sa kasunod na tasks. Also, doon sa mga gumagawa na nito step by step, talagang ang laki ng gap kada tasks ha, so hindi na dapat kayo maiwan. Document your journey, tag me, and use the hashtag VA Life this 2025. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismes, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!